Hi guys, I'm gonna go through some tips and tricks in order to help you understand your skin, especially if you don't have money to see a dermatologist. And this is what usually is discussed at the first appointment with a derm, that they just explain you your skin and how acne works. That's what I'm gonna do today. So grab your little cup of coffee or tea and let's chat. So the first thing that I would do in order to understand my skin is literally understand the type of skin I have, and that's done super easily. Just go one day without any product, without any makeup, and try and see how your skin is at the end of the day. So if your skin is like oily here, quite dry on the sides, you probably have combination skin. Then if your skin is very dry, is red, it's a little bit hurting, you probably have very sensitive skin. If you have oily forehead, oily here on the nose, you probably have oily skin. And once you understand your skin type, you can choose your skincare so much better. Then whenever you have acne and you want to understand the type of acne you have, this is also very important, because some acne can be treated easily with something. Some other acne can't just solely be treated with skincare, and that would be an example of hormonal acne. If you have very cystic, deep pimples on your forehead, on your cheeks, on your chin, and they're very painful, they appear usually before your period, this indicates a hormonal imbalance, and the reason you probably have acne is hormonal. And another hint would be excess sweat, and sweat that smells a particularly funky way, and that's how you understand that, look, maybe probably my root cause is hormonal, and what you would target is balancing your hormones rather than targeting your skin barrier or something else. Another type of acne that is very common is closed comedons and like small white bumps, and this is usually fungal acne that can be treated so easily just with some benzoyl peroxide, and a lot of people don't know it, and it's something that you can get over the counter and it's cheap, and literally using in a week you would see huge differences. So understanding the way your acne looks when it appears is very important, because you need to target your skincare towards the type of acne and the type of skin you have. And also what I think is very important, and a lot of people take very different approaches to it, is diet and supplements. So I think that if you start taking supplements or change your diet completely because you've seen somebody online saying that dairy causes acne, or you've seen somebody online saying that sugar causes acne, and you completely restrict it, the only thing you're gonna do is put stress on your body, and stress can also cause a lot of acne. So don't do that. Don't take any supplement or change your diet without understanding it properly. And my best advice to that would be drink loads of water and make sure you have a very balanced lifestyle. If at the moment you don't think you eat very well, try and change that, and don't change it straight away, because your body is used to something, and if you change it like that, you're gonna put your body through more stress. So how would you do it? You would do it very incrementally. So you would do it step by step. So for example, you want to eat less sugar. You're not gonna go from eating a whole cake yesterday to not having sugar for a whole month. The only thing that's gonna do is gonna put your body under a lot of stress. So what you do is like, okay, today I'm just gonna have a little chocolate with my coffee, and then I'm gonna have a little sweet snack after dinner. And then the next day maybe have some fruit and something else that doesn't contain refined sugars. So there's different ways to manage your diet, but don't be radical in anything, and don't go and like buy a whole new skincare because you've seen somebody doing it online, because then if you break out, you're not going to know what product caused it. So whenever you want to introduce something new, research a little bit, understand the ingredients, how they're going to target your acne, and are they even suitable for your face and for your skin type, not skincare type. I always make this mistake. And yeah, I feel like I've said a lot and I blabbed a lot, but if you have any particular questions, do let me know, and I'm here to support you guys, and I love you. Bye bye.